Check out this 2012 Nissan Altima. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are keyless start, front-wheel drive, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, wheel covers, steel wheels, auxiliary audio input, leather seats, bucket seats and power driver seat. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.